Hi, I'm Clara. I've just been appointed manager of a sales team within Greenside, a company specialized in the design of green spaces. I've agreed to be filmed for 100 days by management experts so that my meetings with my team and with my colleagues could be used by other managers starting out.
Action.
Kyle, I want you to film everything.
Come with me. Look, you won't get to see that every day.
It would balance fun and seriousness and show us how much we've progressed in the last year.
Stop messing around. How bad is it?
Here, treat yourself.
Celebrate this.
We were 30% more expensive.
Well, that's all very nice, but how will that affect our targets?
Amber, she is a Terminator.
I can tell that there's a lot of atmosphere. Listening is very important.
Do you mind giving me a break for 5 minutes?
Wait, were you filming that?